Over the past month, we've seen Grok 4's launch spark discussions, but little disruption. Despite initial expectations, its output still lags behind GPT-4 in reasoning and consistency. Meanwhile, GPT-4 remains behind a paywall, and Gemini continues to face alignment challenges. But in China, a model named Kimi K2 is quietly gaining momentum. Developed by Moonshot AI, Kimi K2 is a trillion-parameter mixture experts model, open source, instruction-tuned, and already usable for free. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tenorshare AI channel. What makes Kimi K2 different? Unlike many closed models, Kimi K2 is publicly available via kimi.com, with no API key, key, or subscription required. It supports long-form input, advanced reasoning, and tool use capabilities. Early benchmarks place it among the most capable open LLMs to date, particularly in code generation and agent-style interaction. The one limitation? To sign up on kimi.com, you currently need a Chinese mobile number. There's no email-based registration or third-party login. For global users, this presents a barrier, but there is a workaround. How to register from outside China safely. You can use a trusted SMS rental service like semis-activate.org or getsemscode.com to obtain a temporary Chinese number. It typically costs less than 15 cents. Choose China, search for kimi.com, rent a number, receive the code, and enter it into the site. Once registered, we recommend binding your email for future login access without needing the phone again. Why you should try Kimi K2? And here's the fun part, we asked Kimi K2 to build a Mario-style platformer game. In just one prompt, it returned fully working HTML plus JavaScript code, no bugs, no extra libraries. You can copy-paste and play the game right in your browser. Kimi K2 is one of the most powerful free alternatives to GPT-4 currently available. Its performance in multi-step reasoning, document analysis, and programming tasks makes it ideal for both experimentation and serious workflows. If you work with LLMs or build AI tools, it's worth exploring now. For more AI model breakdowns and hands-on tutorials, subscribe to Tenorshare AI. We focus on real tools, real use cases, no hype, just clarity. And if you want faster AI-generated content that's harder to detect, try Tenorshare AI Bypass. Click the link below to start your free trial. See you in the next one.